Hey guys, my name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. So before we get started, today's video is brought to you by Godox South Africa. Now if you're looking at getting new lighting, audio and accessories, you could use my discount code to get 5% of your next purchase. So today we'll be taking a look at a key light, and that light specifically being the Godox ES45. This guy here, which is an esports LED light. The ES45 is designed for vloggers, live streamers, YouTubers, and for all types of online activities. Included in the kit is your power adapter, and here we have the mounting rod, which you can clamp onto your desk. This rod features a twisted lock extension system, and it extends the rod to a maximum length of 1 meter. Now we also get a ball head mount so that you can adjust the angle of your light. And here we have our light, which comes with a built-in diffused front panel. Now this allows you to get soft and flattering light. The back plate is metal and has a detachable magnetic control panel. The control panel allows you to control the color temperature and brightness of the light. You can also select the different channels and groups. It has a built-in battery that can be charged when attached to the main light or with a Type-C charging cable. The max power consumption is 47.6 watts. So if you live in South Africa and experience load shedding, then you can hook this up to a backup power supply and still be able to work. If you don't want to use the control panel or forget to charge it, then you can control the light from the Godox Light app. Now this app is available for both Android and Apple. So just a quick lighting test. I do have the ES45 set up in front of me here. Now the only two lights that I do have on at the moment are these two RGB lights that are hitting in the background. I do have the control panel for the light here, and the light is currently set at 5000 Kelvin. So let's just play around and see how bright it could actually go. Okay, so this is it at 15%. at 30%, at 50%, 65, 80%, and all the way up to 100%. Now I do feel it is a bit too bright at 100, so I'm just going to drop it down a bit. There we go. At 70, I think it looks a lot better. So let's just see what the color range looks like. Okay, this is it at 2800 Kelvin. And this is it all the way at 6500 Kelvin. And that brings about a quick end to this one key light setup. Now, as a recommendation, I would say that you get 2 of them so that you have equal brightness on your left and right. But if you like the more dramatic look, then one is perfectly fine. But so if you have any questions on the light, please drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.